In this video, we're going to look at sharing files in Microsoft Teams. So I'm currently in a chat conversation with my colleague and I want to share a document with him. To do that, I'm going to come down to the bottom of my screen and I'm just going to click on the paperclip, and then I've got the option to upload from OneDrive, or I can upload from my computer. If I select my computer, I'm just going to go and access the document, and yours might be different if you're on a Windows device. I'm on a Mac device. I'm just going to go find the document that I want to share, and I'm going to open it. So I might just get a green bar at the bottom whilst it processes, and I've got the opportunity to send a message at the same time so my colleague knows what I'm sharing with him or her. And once I'm ready, I'm just going to come to the bottom right hand corner and click on the paper airplane, and it will upload that into the chat conversation. So if it's a link, I can copy and paste it into the bar, but documentation, best option there is just to click on that paperclip and then find the document that you want to share with your colleague. Have a go and see what documents you can share.